In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your Google Ads have conversion tracking configured properly. Conversion tracking is essential for understanding the effectiveness of your ads in driving desired actions like purchases or sign-ups on your website. So let's get started with ensuring everything is set correctly. First, you need to head over to the Google Ads website, open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar type in ads.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with your Google Ads. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Google Ads homepage. Now, once you're on the Google Ads homepage, the next step is to navigate towards checking your conversion tracking. You'll want to look for the menu that includes options like campaigns, ad groups, and goals. Click on Goals. This section is where you can track different objectives you've set for your ads, such as conversions, lead generation, or traffic. After clicking on Goals, you'll need to access a more detailed overview of your conversion settings. Look for the Summary option, which is typically found under the same Goals tab. Clicking on Summary will bring up a more comprehensive display of your current tracking settings and conversions. This is where you can review all the conversion actions that are set up within your account. Next, you'll want to verify that your conversion tracking setup is indeed in place and performing correctly. Look for an option or a button that says Set up Conversion Tracking. Clicking here will guide you to a detailed page where you can review and confirm the configurations of your conversion tracking. As you review your settings, ensure that each conversion action is configured according to your business needs. Check the details like the action name, category value, and the method of implementation, whether it's on a website, app, or phone call. If anything looks off, you can edit it directly from this interface to align it with your campaign goals. If you followed these steps and confirmed that everything is set properly, your Google Ads account should be effectively tracking conversions. This setup is crucial not only for maximizing the performance of your campaigns, but also for gaining valuable insights into your audience's behaviors. Always remember, proper conversion tracking is key to optimizing your online marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in ensuring your Google Ads are configured correctly for conversion tracking. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy advertising!